There's a lot of things that quick oil shops don't tell you, and in this video, I'm gonna go over 5 of them. And if you stay all the way to the end, I'll give you 1 extra, so make sure you watch all the way to the end. If you're new here, welcome. We talk about all things personal finance, credit, business, investing, all that good stuff. So, if you like that kind of content, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can be notified when I post new videos. The first thing that quick oil shops do, I'll tell you, is they actually don't care about your car. I know that sounds crazy, but think about it. If they cared about your car, they would actually take the time to find the problem. But instead, they just take your money and send you on your way. No. 2. A lot of times they will not use the oil that you pay for. Now, there are some shops that will actually do this. They'll take the oil that you bring in and they'll put it in your car. But a lot of shops will not do that. Instead, they will save that oil for other customers and they will sell it to them. And then they will use the oil that you paid for to service your car. No. 3. Quick oil changes can actually ruin your engine. Now, this happens when they overfill your engine with oil. Now, most cars today are not going to let you overfill the engine with oil, but some older cars you can. And if you have an older car and they overfill it, that oil is going to start to break down, and it's going to break down faster because it's not circulating through the engine like it should. Number 4. A lot of quick oil shops will actually charge you for a filter that you do not need. Now, the average person is not going to know this, but the truth is your car does not need an oil change every 3,000 miles. In fact, a lot of cars can go 5,000 to 10,000 miles on one oil change. And the last one is they don't tell you that they are not changing your oil. Now, what I mean by this is they don't actually change the oil in front of you. A lot of times they will have you pull up, they'll take your oil, they'll take your money, and then they will go back and they will put the old oil back in your car. Now, I don't know if this is happening at Jiffy Lube and Valvoline, but I do know that this has happened at a quick oil change place. Now, I've never had my oil changed at a quick oil shop, but I have had a lot of friends who have, and they've told me their horror stories. So I decided to share this information with you. Now, if you've had your oil changed at a quick oil shop, I would love to hear your experience in the comments below. And also, if you've worked at a quick oil shop, I would love to hear your side of the story as well. And like I said, if you made it all the way to the end, I'm going to give you that extra bonus tip. And the bonus tip is, they don't tell you that you can actually do it yourself. Changing your oil is not that hard. All you need is a few tools and a little bit of know-how. And I promise you, you can do it yourself. I hope this video has been helpful, and I hope you learned something new.